back. Markets are mixed this morning. Take a look. Futures indicating a decline for the Dow Industrials at the start of trading, down 102 right now on the Dow. The S&P is up 12 and the Nasdaq's up 87. This after a very exciting day yesterday. All three major indices hitting record highs again for the third straight day. Record highs fueled by optimism over AI. The Dow Industrials, when all was said and done, was up 161 at 47,706. That was up 1/3%. The Nasdaq was up another 190 points, almost 1%, at 23,827. And the S&P 500 up 15, about 1/4% higher. One of the big leads, NVIDIA. It surged nearing the $5 trillion market value mark. Unbelievable. This company was up another 3.25%. It is higher again this morning. It had a flurry of new announcements yesterday at its summit in Washington. First, NVIDIA unveiling a $1 billion investment in Nokia for a 2.9% stake to develop AI networking solutions and a 6G cellular platform. The company also unveiled NVQ Link, a new system connecting quantum and graphics processing units, or GPU, computing. NVIDIA also partnering with the Department of Energy to build 7 new AI supercomputers. It's also set to team up with Eli Lilly on drug discovery projects, Palantir to bring AI into enterprise operations, and Uber to power its next-gen robotaxi fleet. A lot of announcements yesterday from NVIDIA at that summit. Joining me now is the Fitz-Gerald Group principal, Keith Fitz-Gerald. Keith, good to see you. Can you believe this? We are now talking about $5 trillion in market value for NVIDIA. Your reaction?
It's astonishing, fabulous announcement yesterday. People are talking like it's 5D to 6G, but what they don't understand is this series of deals, this flurry, as you put it, is unleashing an entirely new architecture. It's going to rewrite the internet. It's going to rewrite how we communicate. It's going to rewrite mobile communication. It's playing for all the marbles, and they're a clear front runner. I love it.
Well, I don't think you're going to be able to get NVIDIA below 100 like it was back in April of this year. I mean, look at the stock today at 207. Would you put new capital right in this name today after this huge run-up?
As a matter of fact, I'm probably going to do that later today. Yes, I would.
You would. Okay. You've got big tech earnings out this week. Microsoft, Meta, Alphabet, both out after the close tonight. Got Amazon and Apple tomorrow. By the way, Apple briefly topped $4 trillion in market value for the first time yesterday. Microsoft also in the $4 trillion neighborhood after finalizing a 27% stake in OpenAI's for-profit business. Apple's up 25% just in the last 3 months, Keith, driven by strong demand for the new iPhone 17. So there's a lot of excitement to go around. What do you make of these companies, and what do you want to do ahead of earnings?
Well, this is interesting to me because it points out that not all big tech is the same. I think Apple and Microsoft are clearly the front runners. Amazon and, to some degree, Google are the laggards because they haven't executed as well. They're not moving into the AI space. They're not as pure play in their legacy businesses that are holding them back. So I'm very aggressive towards the Microsoft, which I own, and towards the Apple, which I also own, and looking to add to both of those names, particularly if traders who are itching for a fight drive them down a little bit after otherwise good numbers. All
right, what do you make of the Fed today? Expecting a rate cut, 2:30 today?
I am expecting a rate cut announcement, but I'm not holding my breath either because this Fed is unpredictable. They've been way off base for a long time. So the markets are doing the Fed's job for them. So anything the Fed does, Maria, it's just going to be catch up. Maybe it adds a little bit of fuel to the fire, but I'm not counting on it.
All right, we'll leave it there. Keith, always great to catch up. Thank you.
Thank you.
Keith Fitz-Gerald joining us. Stay with us.